Hello everyone! Here's a quick update about the PS5 etaHEN 2.0b public test offline jailbreak tutorial video, which expired a few weeks ago. The pre-release stage is now available. It may expire again or remain available, so I've created a tutorial video on how to revert. Please note that progress made in the pre-release version will be saved and carried over to the final release, but the pre-release version itself will not be updated. When the final release arrives, you'll need to go online again and jailbreak with the final release. For the offline jailbreak process, it should be the same as before. Buckle up and let's dive into the tutorial video. If you are new to jailbreaking your PS5, please check out this video. It offers a step-by-step guide on how to jailbreak the PS5, provided you meet the system software version requirement. Assuming you already have the PS5 browser and other necessary apps, we can begin by setting up our security measures. I strongly recommend starting by disconnecting from the internet, deleting cookies, and clearing website data. Next, navigate to the power saving settings and ensure that all features available in rest mode are turned off. Then, go to Save Data and Game App Settings. Navigate to Automatic Updates and ensure all options are turned off. Lastly, connect to the internet. Once connected, go to the PS5 browser and enter the following. Mouuu has updated his online host Lite from etaHEN 2.0b public test to the pre-release version. He is one of the fastest individuals I know in this field. Thanks to Lightning Mods for the update and Mouuu for his host site. When the final release arrives, you'll know where to go, boys. You might still encounter some kernel panics, but the jailbreaking stability has improved since the 2.0b public test release. Based on user experiences, it now takes a maximum of 2 tries to resolve kernel panics compared to 3 to 5 tries with the previous 1.9b version. The etaHEN 1.9b may soon be replaced by the 2.0b from our online hosts, IdleSauce and Mouuu. The offline jailbreak procedure should remain the same. I'll keep you updated on any changes to the routine. With the jailbreak now complete, I proceeded to Itemzflow to test some games. However, I encountered a small issue. My Itemzflow remained on a black screen and didn't proceed further. Despite having the latest Itemzflow 1.08 installed and even reinstalling it using the homebrew store, the problem persisted. Then, I realized that Lightning Mods released the etaHEN pre-release version along with a compatible version of Itemzflow. Rest assured, I will include all the necessary files in the description below. And make sure to copy it over to your exFAT formatted flash drive and plug it to the back of your console. To ensure compatibility, delete the current Itemzflow app. Then, navigate to Settings, Debug Settings, Package Installer, and install the Itemzflow version you downloaded. To clarify, it's the same Itemzflow version, but this particular version is compatible with etaHEN 2.0b. Now it works. Now let's test a game using my favorite etaHEN 2.0b feature, cheats. After confirming the successful jailbreak and ensuring everything works, leave the console in its jailbroken state for a while. Move to your PC and download the OFFCACHE Auto Lite package by Mouuu. Once downloaded, copy it over to your exFAT formatted flash drive and plug it into the back of your console. Once the flash drive is plugged in and the PS5 is in its jailbroken state, go to Settings, Debug Settings, Package Installer, and install the OFFCACHE Host Lite by Mouuu. Thanks, Mouuu! You can find more information about him in the description below. To verify the successful installation of the package file, navigate to the Media tab. You should see the offline host app listed there. At this point, you can go ahead and disconnect from the internet. We are now performing the jailbreak offline. Make sure you are disconnected from the internet. Simply go to the offline host app, start it, and let it work its magic. You don't need to press anything as it will automatically process the activation. It's very convenient. If prompted to press OK, just hit OK and it will automatically process again until it succeeds. You might still encounter a kernel panic or two, but with my console running the 4.50 system software version, the maximum kernel panics I experienced were 2. Most of the time, the jailbreak succeeds, and the speed has significantly improved using the offline jailbreak method with the etaHEN pre-release 2.0b version. Now that everything is installed and updated to etaHEN 2.0b, with all apps and games working perfectly, we can jailbreak our console 100% offline without any ESP boards. Before wrapping up, let's try a game using the cheats feature from etaHEN 2.0b while in the offline jailbroken state. Let's verify it together. I hope you find this video informative and helpful on your PS5 offline jailbreaking journey. Don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button, and feel free to leave comments if you have any questions or if there's something I missed in the video. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love! Wondering how I managed to get the PS4 cheats running on a jailbroken PS5? Watch this video for a step-by-step guide on how to play your backup PS4 games with cheats on a jailbroken PS5. See you there!